Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share with you some of our product. If you're interested about this one, let's check the details. We packed with the VCI anti-rust bags, and on this part you can see there had the logo, the label on it. In the first line, it's our company logo, Shumatt, right? If you want other logos, you can contact us. We can apply the customize service like the logo, the label, the packaging bag, and so on. On this part, it's a product code F00RJ01692. Yes, application model number is 0445120081 and 0445120107, 0445120129, 0445120149, 0451205150. And on this part, it's a QR code. And let's open it to see the inside, okay? Wow, on the inside, as you can see, we have two kind of packages, and today I will show you this one. And look at it here. When I open it, you can see we package it with the oil paper. Actually, we not only sealing the whole side, but also we're sealing the separate parts. Look at this valve cap. For valve cap, it has some coating and with some curved letters. And for the valve rod, we have different lengths, different sizes. And if you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all the product details we are showing today. For our product, we have the 6 months warranties, and during this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and return the exchange for product for you. Yes, for our product, I have a little tips for you. Clean it with oil. Make sure the valve cap in the right position, the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's the tips I want to share with you. And each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us, okay? And except that we are also selling the injector, nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the part from the pumps, yes, and including the control valve we are showing today. Yeah, so much for our product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.